Hi everyone, this is Richa Mehta, and we are live here today for the special episode of Trending Live with Richa Mehta. Do watch it till the end as there is surprise waiting for all of you. This show is powered by Ram Ratan Group, one of India's leading real estate developers, in association with Khwahish by Tamanna, an exclusive collection of chicken curry dresses for modern women, Fashion or Spruce, one of India's leading event management company, and YouthNews.online, India's fastest growing news page. The celebrity today is very special. I will just give a brief intro before I invite him here. Guys, today we have with us a person who's extremely talented and needs no introduction. He has been part of super hit movies like Houseful, Partner, Bija Fry 2, and so on. He has entertained us with multi-dimensional wit, charismatic, and comic roles. Please welcome the famous actor, comedian, RJ, and all-arounder, Suresh Menon.
वाह थैंक यू सो मच आजकल फिलहाल मैं ऑल राउंडर बन गया हूँ बिकॉज आई लुक लाइक अ राउंड फुटबॉल नाउ डेज इन दिस लॉकडाउन
Hairstyle looks so cool. I mean, wow.
या बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल उनको लगता है कि दिस इज खोसला का घोसला पार्ट टू सुरेश का घोसला बट इट्स अ विग विच आई वेयर स्पेशली बिकॉज आई एम मल्लू सो इसके लिए कर्ली विग और मैं इसे कुछ फनी फेसेस बनाते रह सकता हूँ इसके लिए बट आई लाइक दिस कर्ली विग बिकॉज सचिन तेंदुलकर इज एन इंस्पिरेशन आई ला गो गेट इट
वाओ आई थिंक बहुत लोग इंस्पायर होने वाले हैं इस कूल विग से. What if girls actually wear this wig? I think Suresh, आपका mute.
Yeah,
Yeah,
मिल
now
गया.
we have.
So, yeah, so as you can see, I'm technologically challenged. As I told people, my partner Jose always tell me कि टेक्नोलॉजी को हाथ मत लगाना, तुम लोग दोनों बहुत दूर है. तो anyway, या गर्ल्स ये विग देखकर बोलते हैं कि आपके कितने बाल बचे हैं. तो पहले मैं सोचता हूँ कि मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, बाद में बोलते नहीं नहीं कितने बाल बचे हैं, फिर मैं ऐसे हो जाता हूँ.
Oh.
तो ये आजकल मेरा अनुपम खेर हेयर स्टाइल है जो मैं यूज करता हूँ स्पेशली लॉकडाउन में इन द हाउस स्पेशली लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक दिस इज रियली फैशनेबल एंड इट सेव्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम बाय द वे काफी टाइम बच जाता है सो आई नो व्हाई पीपल हु लाइक टू गो बॉल्ड why they go bald but honestly speaking I'm also trying to screen test for Shakal's role if ever they make Shana once again.
Oh, super हाँ काफी सही लगोगे उस रोल में.
या तो अभी फिलहाल मैं विग के साथ कुछ कर नहीं सकता हूँ इसलिए मैं इसको सिर्फ ऐसे अपने सर के ऊपर रख देता हूँ इट लुक लाइक अ कूल हेयर स्टाइल एनीवे सी.
घोसला का घोसला.
बिल्कुल.
Okay. So Suresh, I'll quickly explain you the format of the show. This is very special
Yeah.
as this is the last episode of this season. And no better than having you on my show on season finale, which will fill with lot of laughter, fun, entertainment, and masti. So without wasting any further time, let me start with the first round. I have few questions and you have to answer them quickly.
अरे
Okay?
बाप रे ओके.
Okay? Alright. So you have been working since more than 2 decades in the industry. How did you started your journey and were you always inclined towards acting?
Strangely, I was actually working in a corporate company, 20th Century Finance, and then Times of India also, and Crompton Greaves also. I was a salesman, accountant, come response department executive. And one day, I got a chance to. I was trying to switch my jobs, so I met a person called Imran Merchant, along with my friend Javed, my colleague from 20th Century Finance, and he told me, "Why don't you try in acting?" Because Javed told me कि ये लड़का बहुत imitate करते he can imitate everybody in the office and all that stuff. So why don't you try acting? So that's it. First time I heard about somebody calling me an actor or sort of wannabe actor. So I went with his recommendation to RK Studios uh, for a audition to actually a meeting with Major Ashok Kaul, who was producing a film called Paramveer Chakra. I didn't get the role, but I bumped into Rishi Kapoor and I loved the smile of the smell of the fragrance of the studio. So I thought कि मैं इस line में जरूर try करूंगा. And I kept trying. I left my job in 1993 and I entered this big bad world of the Hindi film industry, which I feel actually it's a wonderful, wonderful place to be in. And I'm grateful to God कि 93 से 2020 तक अभी तक कल का भरोसा नहीं नॉट आउट हूँ.
Very, very nice. Very nice. I mean, you changed your career path, but it actually worked for you. और जैसे मैंने आपको कहा भी था that you know it's very difficult to make people laugh. बहुत मुश्किल है किसी को हंसाना. And you are blessed by God with that talent.
या बिकॉज लोगों को रुलाना इजी होता है. लोगों को मतलब उनके ऊपर चिल्लाना, गुस्सा दिखाना, बहुत इजी होता है. लेकिन लोगों को हंसाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. सो टू कीप एवरीबडी लाफिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, आई मस्ट से कि हमेशा नहीं होता है. समटाइम्स इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. जब आप कुछ ऐसे चीजों से गुजरते हैं जिंदगी में इमोशनली, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मेक पीपल लाफ. I find it very difficult to make people laugh if I'm in a bad mood or a sad mood. I find it very difficult to even do anything. But then I realized after some time, in such cases, you should start making fun of yourself because automatically चेहरा उतर जाता है ना.
I know.
ऐसे हो जाता है. इस चेहरे को देख के लोग हंसने लग जाते हैं.
मुझे तो अभी
तो
तो आपकी विग बड़ा
ये ठीक है, इसको हटा ही देते हैं अभी. And this is my clean look. See, this is also other look when so I keep on making faces when I feel upset and very down and out, and I look at myself in the mirror and I think I look very funny, so I can laugh and sometimes tied by very bad situations. But you have to be really blessed. It's a God's blessing. It's God's blessing, and we are very fortunate to have such a lot of funny thoughts in our mind. बहुत मुश्किल है otherwise to survive in this world.
True, totally. Okay. So you have majorly done comedies in your career. Ever thought of trying a different genre?
Yes, I'm very, very much looking forward to doing something really different, maybe a villainish role for sure, something very scary, like people should get scared when they see me. डर जाना चाहिए. बट ऐसे सब करूंगा तो कोई डरेगा नहीं, हंसेंगे सब लोग. सो आई एम डूइंग सम, आई गॉट अ फ्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइंड अप व्हिच इज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग वेयर आई एम प्लेइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. एंड आई वाज वेरी फॉर्चुनेट टू डू अ मलयालम फिल्म called Brahmaram, where I played a negative character with the great Mohanlal. So, and I got a lot of accolades for it. I was nominated for 4 awards in that year. So I have tried, I have experimented, but Hindi फिल्मों में अभी तक नहीं किया हूँ. Serious roles I've done in Dhanak. I've done a decent enough serious role in Kabil, but mostly it has been funny roles, which I'm very open to. ऐसा नहीं कि I hate doing funny stuff anymore. I love to do whatever comes my way. So I hope my enthusiasm doesn't die. I should always be like this. So whatever comes my way, I would like to play. But yes, I'm definitely looking for a villain's role.
एक एक डायलॉग बोल दो विलन रोल में, मतलब गुस्से में, और जैसे विलन बोलते हैं ना.
मैं तुम्हें मार दूंगा.
ये तो
See, it's very funny. So I automatically when कोई मुझे ऐसे seriously कुछ कहने में बोलता है तो मैं बहुत फंस जाता हूँ उसमें और मैं हंसी छूट जाती है. इसलिए थोड़ा मुश्किल है, लेकिन I think I should do a character which doesn't say much and he just keeps on staring at people like this.
oh my god.
हाँ, that will work. I think if you got a reaction from me, I'm happy. So हो गया, I'm done. मेरा selection हो जाएगा जल्दी.
You know, in the previous
But मुझे ना अनुराग कश्यप टाइप के फिल्मों में काम करना है, लेकिन इफ ही टेक्स मी, बिकॉज वहां पे भी नेपोटिज्म बढ़ गया आजकल. वो सिर्फ अपने दोस्तों को लेता है. बट सो लेट्स सी मौका मिले तो मैं करूंगा. अनुराग, अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज
मुझे
याद
पहुंच जाऊं.
रखें, मैं हूँ.
So in
या
previous
100%.
we had a game where the celebrity has to stare to screen for 20 seconds, and अगर उन्होंने झूठ बोला तो, या उन्होंने कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर ना किया हो. आप तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे थे. अच्छा है मेरे पास आज वो गेम नहीं है.
आज बच गया. ओके.
Okay, so the next question is, what's your dream role?
My dream role is Of course, I would be very honest and say that I would love to do a hero's role. I would love to be a hero in a film. I had my moment when the film was Crazy 4, where I was the hero and I was
I think there is some network issue at Suresh's end. Yes, there seems to be some network issue. Oh, he's back.
what happened?
You back?
So,
I don't know. Maybe
so yeah,
you
that's
were
okay.
telling
See it. Yeah, so my dream role is to be a hero. So I want to be a hero in a film. I hope in some upcoming producer, director, choreographer, somebody choreography नहीं मुझे डांस नहीं करना है हीरो बनाओ लेकिन डांस मत कराओ वेरी बैड डांसर
something. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. If you had to live your life by being any one character from your movie, which one will it be and why?
any one character from a movie I would oh god I would like MT Shekran from Beja Fry Part 2. MT
Okay.
Shekran was actually a very straightforward, honest guy, and he was very diligent in his job, and he was working for the income tax department. And today, I think in the lockdown, that job would have been really useful. At least महीने का पगार तो मिल जाता मुझे. I would love to be MT Shekran all over again, working for the income tax department.
Yeah. काफी interesting role choose किया आपने.
Yeah.
Okay. A comedian you look up to. So, is there any special person or a comedian which you look up to?
Uh, See, I got a lot of friends with whom I worked with Sajid Khan, Jose Coaco, Vinay Patak, Ranveer Shori, uh, Kiku Sharda, Gaurav Gera, all these masters I worked with, Purvi Joshi, Archana Puran Singh, Kapil Sharma, everybody I worked with. But I think all of us, all of them, including Veer Das, would say that, definitely for us, all of us look up to Johnny Lever, not only for the type of comedy that he has done, but also for the kind of human being he is. I got a small incident that I want to share with you quickly. The year was 2005 and I was shooting for Diwani Mein Pagal, the character which says Tania, Tania, Tania. क्लाइमैक्स के दौरान हम लोग शूटिंग कर रहे थे रसल खैमा में छोटी सी हादसा हुई थी माय डैड गॉट अटैक इन मुंबई and we thought he is not going to survive. I was there, I didn't know what to do, but John Lever took me aside and he said I'll do some prayers for him. He prayed, and next day in the morning when I called back home, my dad was fine. you know he was in the ICU, but my dad was fine. So I believe Johnny Bai's prayers worked. I'm always grateful to him, and I'm never tired of saying this again and again across all platforms. Thank you, Johnny Bai.
That's so lovely. That's so nice. Okay. A role you think you could have done better if given a chance. है कोई ऐसा role?
Ah, Oh God, I think every role that I've done more than 52 films. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि हर एक role जो मैंने किया हूँ, I feel I could have done it much better. That's why I
Okay.
hate seeing myself. It's an actor's problem. So I'm one of the few actors I think who hates to go and look in the monitor after every shot. I would leave it on the director कि director ही बता दे कि और चाहिए, one more चाहिए, two more चाहिए, या I've done it very badly. I don't mind. But I hate to go to the monitor and see myself on screen because I know that I'm never satisfied with what I do. Then I don't want to be like Amir Khan, keep on doing and taking people's time. And of course, as I told you, even if I become a hero, I think I would still go with the director. I'm a director's actor, and I feel like every role that I do, I can do better.
No, I thought that मेरे में ही problem है. I also don't watch my videos. I mean, whichever little bit work I have done in acting and something which I'm doing in the coming year, I never see it
Yes,
again. लगता है
you,
पता नहीं क्यों करा. अच्छा
correct.
मेरे बाल यहाँ से क्यों बाहर आ रहे हैं. I have this habit of or that my hairs are straight. I don't know. I mean, I don't want to watch it again. I don't know why.
Yeah, seriously, but it's best to do whatever you're doing because always I believe the first
True.
take is the best take. So just go there, do it, but make sure you do your homework, learn your lines properly, learn everything properly, learn the other actors' lines also, so that you will be on cue and then just go for it and enjoy. उसका जाकर देखना improvement and all. If the director says one more, I'll do it, but I don't say one more and all that unless I made a fumble or made a mistake in pronunciation. So but yeah, but I feel every role that I do, I can do it better. That I've done, I can do it better.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, I'll quickly ask you a few questions. आपको ना answer करना है फटाफट. Favorite movie?
Okay. Sholay.
Favorite actor?
Because favorite actor, my God, lot of them, but definitely the great Mohanlal first, number one. And in Hindi films, Amir
Okay.
and Shah Rukh Khan, because Shah Rukh is really special. I love Shah Rukh
Yeah, even I love him too. Okay,
Khan.
favorite actor.
Favorite actress, uh, Kajol, anytime. Tabu, Kajol, Kareena Kapoor,
Okay. Favorite co-star.
Vinay Pathak.
Hmm. Okay. I was talking to him few days back, and I will be calling him maybe in the second season. Let's see. Oh, this comment has almost filled it. We'll take the questions later. Okay.
Yeah.
Worst habit of yours.
Worst habit.
Yeah. Something जो आपको लगता है कि
Oh God.
but you do.
Chewing off my nails. I also
Oh.
do that Sachin Tendulkar.
You know, I used to do that. And my नानी used to say, तू nail paint लगा ले, नहीं खाएगी क्योंकि nail paint का ना टेस्ट ही थोड़ा सा कड़वा होता है. So I stop.
अगर
मेरे I'm
sorry,
sure you
sorry,
can.
yeah, no, I said if I put nail paint, then लोग गलत समझ बैठेंगे. मेरे पार्टनर के कैरेक्टर बन जाऊंगा मैं.
True, true. Okay, best fan moment.
Best fan moment. I think there was this whole family who I met in South Africa. I'd gone to see a match over there in Joburg. I was taken for an event. So when I came out of the stadium, I met a huge family, literally a huge family. They came, introduced themselves. We had a long chat. They told me about all my roles, and they love all my films and all that stuff. And then they introduced me to a lady who said that she loves to watch me in. She watched me in Crazy Four, and she watched all my shows with Sajid Khan. It turned out to be a South African cricketer's wife, and I was really honored. And I said, "My God, it's like wow." It was unbelievable moment for me. It's like cricketers also watch our shows, and she told me that her husband is also a huge fan. Uh, Damn it, how can I forget his name? One of the best spin bowlers in South African team, Pakistani born right arm spinner. He's plays for the IPL also. Not Hashim Amla. Oh God, how can I forget? यहाँ तक नाम भूल गया. Sorry, but it was his wife, and uh, that was a great moment for me. I just wow, yeah, but this is being in the industry is like really being recognized worldwide, and that was really a wonderful feeling for me.
That's so touching. True. Very well answered. So before we move on to the next round, we would like to play a commercial of 20 seconds, rather a luxury advertisement by our powered partner, Ramratan Group.
Sure.
Welcome back. So now we move on to the round two. It's a very fun round. I'll What we will do is I would like to enact or do mimicry of the following characters or personalities for maybe few seconds or a minute. Okay?
That.
Sachin Tendulkar. You can wear
Hi
your biggest.
there. Oh, 1 second. This will be a little bit of a problem because
It's
Sachin
cool.
Tendulkar with a bad hair day.
Okay.
हाय देयर डेफिनेटली लॉकडाउन में बहुत तकलीफ हो गया मैं बाल काटने गया था साइड से सब निकल गया सिर्फ ऊपर का रह गया और अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज फाइन गो गेट इट
So cool, huh? Okay. Arnab Goswami.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. In today's discussion, we need to find out from Richa Mehta why she's speaking to this strange guy on her screen right now. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. India needs answers, and everybody need answers. I have only questions to ask, and I don't get any answers. That's all.
Okay. Kiran from Partner.
Hi, darling. My God, cricket. I just love cricket. एक बॉल के पीछे 11 मर्द और मैंने सुना बॉल टेम्परिंग भी होता है. Wow.
Okay. The last one. Peter from Fir Hera Fairy.
Oh my God, उसके ऊपर इतने सारे मीम्स बने हुए पता नहीं मैं मीमेन हो गया हूँ. मेनन विथ मीम्स, मेनन मीम्स. लेकिन पीटर वाज लाइक अरे नानजी भाई, पूरा माल मिल गया, 4 करोड़ का माल है, चलो निकालते हैं.
Nice. Okay. So, we have a very special video made by the production team and my friends. And I would like to highlight no show can become successful without a great team. And I'm lucky to have one. People involved know whom I'm talking about. So let's start with the video. I'm excited. Hi everyone, this is Richa Mehta, and today we come to the last episode of Trending Live with Richa Mehta. It was indeed an honor to host and direct the entire 8 episodes of first season. The planning and execution of the show was different, but getting into action and talking to celebrity was different.
Congratulations.
Thank you. So we have the video in parts, and so the production team can put us backstage so that they can play the remaining parts.
Sure.
Hilarious school or college moment. Something which strikes.
Any school or college moment? Yeah, there are lots. College, so I believe this. Everybody knows this. I had once worn a yellow T-shirt and black jeans, and I'd gone to college, and everybody started, teasing me, taxi, taxi, taxi. And my friend told me that, see, they're teasing you, taxi, taxi, taxi. I said, they're not calling me taxi.
What will you tweet? You handle Shweta's Twitter account for a day.
I'll tweet the truth about her husband, how nice and how cool he is,
I could
and
get
that. Yeah, I mean, how much work he does in the house also in a lockdown. He works so hard. He's the hardest working person around the household. So I think all of those truths I would, and is that he's a fantastic cook. I think I'm a fantastic cook. My wife does not agree with me. My daughter just completely, denies that. But I'm great. So I think that might be my opportunity and platform to reveal the truth of my life.
always you. My life is only you. My peace also. My pain also.
My what also? Sirf,
My also my
सिर्फ
pain.
तुम something. तुम मेरी no.
ही हो
हाँ
बस
तुम ही हो.
जिंदगी तुम ही
ही हो. All right, okay. That is one of my favorite songs.
So, what was your first reaction when you were approached to be part of dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja?
I think the entire offer came in by my friend Leander P. Is actually the contract was given to him, and he had to last moment go and play a Grand Slam tournament, and that's how he could not. He had already signed a contract, so he could. He had to do something about it, and that's where I think he got Bakra out of me. So he put everything onto me and said, it's a great platform, good contract, and you should do this. And that's how it came over to me.
I would have been a documentary filmmaker. I wanted to be a documentary filmmaker. I was studying for it. When at 18, I got an audition from MTV, and they were offering good money. And basically, if you come from a middle class background, I was told that for 2.5 weeks you live in a hotel for free. So I said, "Bhad mein kya contest? At least I'll eat some free food for 2 weeks." I put on 6 kgs in 2 weeks.
Oh.
Yeah, they were like, "What is this? A potato or a human being?" They didn't know what happened.
So can you list out any 3 instances from your musical journey which was special to you?
Instances, see, I would say for any singer, performer, or any human being, performing for some celebrities are always special. So my first celebrity program was, I think, for Arjun Rampal ji. Yeah, this was in 2012. So we did the function for him. And then, of course, the Ambanis, when it happened, that was really special for me as a person and in my career also. It changed a lot of things. And then recently, the one we did with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan ji, that was very special for me because he's like a different level of a celebrity, and performing for him and getting compliments from him, getting so much time from him. We almost spoke for around half an hour, 20 minutes. That was really, really special.
Wow. As a woman, how does it feel to represent India worldwide?
You know, like हमारे घर में there was no discrimination कि तुम लड़की हो, you know. मतलब घर में मतलब my immediate family, but the reason why my dad put me in sports was that I'm the first girl child in the whole family. All my cousins are boys. So my dad has 5 other siblings and they all have two boys. So I was the first girl child, and जब मैं पैदा हुई तो they were like, oh हो लड़की पैदा हो गई, you know, that kind of an attitude. So that's when my dad decided कि मैं इसे लड़के से भी अच्छा बनाऊंगा, you know. So it was never that, you know, you being a woman you represented. I think me being an Indian, I was very proud to represent the country. That was the aim, and I did it for almost 18-19 years of my life. You know, so I'm very proud about it. You know, if I'm अगर लोग सोचेंगे कि तुम इतनी proud क्यों हो, तो I think I have a lot of reasons to be proud of.
Yes, totally. They were supportive and now are like friends. Getting people from different genres was the aim, and having such big names who has achieved so much in life. Padma Shri, Arjun Awardee, and the list is never ending. Special thanks to Ramratan Group, Mr. Vijay Chaudhary, who is the chairman of the group, for supporting me throughout. Fashion of Spruce, Sarthak, and the entire team. Khwahish by Tamanna, thanks Tamanna for believing in me and the format. And all of you for watching and motivating with unconditional love throughout. The show went on 5 different platforms live, and the support through messages was tremendous. I would like to thank each one of you. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. We'll come back with new format, new setup, new masti from 20th of June, season 2. Stay tuned. Stay positive. Thank you. See you around.
Congratulations, that was really nice. And the best part
Thank
is
you.
most of the guests are my good friends. Aditi, Bachang, so you know, Hiten. So it was really wonderful seeing all of them. And yeah, you're doing a great job, Richa. Keep it up, and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Such a beautiful video, and I would like to mention few names who actually did it. They made the video overnight, and that's the reason there was some technical glitch, but it doesn't matter. It was really good, and special thanks to Tanvi, who is handling the who actually made this video. Video bunny because we could collate everything. All my friends helped. Shagun, Sachin, Devashish, and others have helped him, and Tanveer was able to, make the video overnight. So thank you so much, guys, for helping me. And yes, indeed, very special video, very special season, as it was season 1, and we would be going to season 2 from 20th June. So before we sign off, we would like to extend thanks to Suresh for being such a sport and making everybody laugh. How was
Thank you.
your experience in this quickie chat show?
Oh, very nice, very different. And I must say that this is a wonderful way to do a chat show. Your research is fine. You speak well, and you got enough dope on. I think every celeb who has come, and you really ask great questions. I really enjoyed myself over here. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best, and to have a very bright and happening future. And go for it. Just as Sachin Tendulkar would say,
Just go get it, Ray. Don't worry. लंबा innings खेलना बस.
Thank you so much for such beautiful words. I forgot to take the comments, so we can take the comments from our viewers. Few have asked
Sure.
some questions, and we
Sure.
can have Suresh answer them. So Shagun says, "Awesome! I'm a big fan of you, Suresh."
Thank you, Shagun. God bless you.
The Ramnatan Group, who's a powered partner, has said, "Good luck, Ji, great show." Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bringing a smile on someone's face is great. Tamanna is saying that, which is so true. I mean, Suresh, you do it. I mean, pata nahi kaise, you're totally a blessing. I mean, so, oh, Shagun says, how about a horror movie? So you're
How about
talking
you?
about,
Yes, why not? Oh yeah, Shagun, yes, I would love to do a horror movie. Why not? I think I can speak like a zombie, you know. मैं तुम्हें मार डालूंगा, मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा, मैं आ रहा हूँ.
it's a cool. Okay. My father says, best role in movie Fir Hera Fairy. Most impressive.
Oh, that is Peter. Thank you so much, sir. Really, great pleasure. Great pleasure. That was a wonderful role. I really enjoyed doing it.
So, Khwahish Tamanna, you make everyone smile. What brings a smile to you? What makes you happy the most?
Uh, Simple things actually, more than anything is that simple things. Sometimes just having the best vada pav in town. Sometimes just looking at the wonderful blue skies. Sometimes just seeing a bird perched outside your house, or sometimes just seeing kittens play or dogs play. The small small things in life make actually gives me a great joy. So that way, बड़ा मजा आता है. And of course, lots of money will give me lots of happiness.
वो तो सबको वैसी खुशी तो सबको चाहिए. So, my mother has also commented, great, interesting, and amazing talk show. I mean, all thanks to
Oh,
you, Suresh. Everybody laugh. Okay, so
oh,
we have a Devishri Kalita says, Richa, thank you so much for your trending live. It has truly been a breather and source of happiness in these hard times. Kudos to you and your initiative. Thank you so much, Dev, Vishish. Suresh Menon, couldn't be happier to see you go live. You comic roles in Partner, Firhera Fairy, and especially Beja Fry too. Mr. M.T. Shekharan with Vinayji
em-
still revolving in our minds. Whoa, it was
out
a
of,
delight. Please share us
oh,
an
no.
insight on your upcoming projects.
Oh, okay. So right now I've become an entrepreneur and I'm busy pitching for shows. We have taken a bit of a beating because of this lockdown and being having a startup, running a company is a little bit difficult, but we are hoping and we pray, fingers crossed, that we cross this also. This too shall pass is what we keep on saying, and hopefully I'll have one of my creations on air very soon on one of the OTT platforms. I've written a cricket story which a lot of people are loving, and I hope that comes out on a OTT platform very soon. And
My
talking about cricket, that cricketer whom I was talking was, his name is Imran Tahir, a very good leg spinner from South Africa. And his wife told me that she likes all my shows and my movies. And thank God I remembered the name.
Okay. So Shagun says, you best enact like Sachin. May you become a god of mimicry. I'm sure you will.
I hope everybody is very good at what they do. There's Sanket Bhosle that I saw that boy imitate Ayushman Khurrana. मैं इतना हंसा हूँ बाप रे बाप. So everybody who's got mimicry talents, they are blessed. इसे बहरूपिया कहते हैं, इसे traditional form of making people laugh कहते हैं, and we are all blessed कि कितनी आवाजें निकाल सको. It's a good thing if you got the talent, put it out there, बिंदास, डरने का नहीं. सब जाना भाई, डरने का नहीं, बस नाना पाटेकर बात कर रहे, बस अच्छी बात है.
Okay. Yogesh Gupta says, very, very nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this, and thank you, Richa and team. Thank you, Tanveer, for coordinating with me on the dot, and making me go through all the technicalities because I am technologically challenged. You got a great team, and I wish you and your team all the very best. And may the show come on live on some platforms or maybe on television also.
Yes, definitely. We are in talks for season 2. So let's keep that as surprise because जब तक होता नहीं है तब तक हम बोलेंगे नहीं. So
Absolutely.
thank you so much everyone for joining today, and we'll catch again with season 2 from 20th June. Watch out the space for more details. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.